Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video we are going to discuss about a platform where you can earn a lot of money by sitting in your home as a freelancer. So let me search for PeoplePerHour, and here you can see this is official website, and let me show you the skills and freelancers on this platform. So let's go for the website development, and after that now scroll down. Here you can see, so first one you can see has completed almost 1600 projects with 5-star ratings. So you can estimate the earnings for the freelancers, and also you can check the other freelancers. That's great. And this is for only single skill, that is website development. And if you have one of these skills, just you can easily create your account, and after that you can create your freelancer profile and start a lot of money. So simply click here on the sign up button, and after that here you can see, just we can select I want to work as a freelancer. Simply click here, and after that click here sign up with email. Then scroll down, and first of all we can add here email. Then here I can add a name. I am creating this profile for someone else. Let me use another name, and after that let me add some password. Then after that click here sign up. Now here you can see profile is created. So now we need to fill out this profile. Let me verify this, and after that activate. So guys, after activating account, here you can see we got an issue. We are very sorry, but we are experiencing a high number of freelancers. So to solve this problem, just you need to go here and you can search for this extension Urban VPN, and simply you can install this free extension in your Chrome browser, and after that here you can see I have activated. Then after that you need to reload your page and the problem will be solved. And after that, now next step is to add some profile image. Let me add for demo. So let me select one of the image, and after that let me show you what you need to add here. First of all we need to add here title. Then after that here we need to add skills. So these are the skills: application developer, software development. Let me copy this one and add here. Then after that enter, and we need to select from these. Then let me search for Facebook game development, and after that third one is software development. Then scroll down, and exact description I will provide you, just you need to add here. Then scroll down, and here we need to add location. So if you are from Pakistan, you need to add correct location. And after that let's add for languages. And after that now we need to add rate. Then submit. Make sure that you are using these details, otherwise you can get error and your profile will not be approved. Then submit application. So now here you can see there is some fee for the 1-day approval, and let me select this one for the 7 days. Alright, now we have submitted our applications and it will take some time for the approval. So let me go in the second browser, and after that let me show you I have approved my another seller profile. Here you can see we got 15 proposals. So let me show you where you can find out the jobs. Here you can search for the projects, scroll down, and you can apply the filter for the latest. Then here you can see these are the jobs. Simply you can click on any job, and after that you can easily apply. So guys, after the account approval we need to go in the profile settings, then scroll down. Here we need to add some offers. Here you can see create an offer, and here we can add title. For example, here I can create Shopify store website design. Then here we can add price, for example 100. Then here we can add time. I can select 1 day, and after that the next step is to select a category. So make sure that you have selected correct category, and after that let me add some tags, Shopify, then again, and after that let me add another keyword, store, website, then again, and after that here we can add some photos. So let me select, and you can use Canva to create eye-catching thumbnails. And after that here we can add some details. So let me copy some content from here, and after that here I am adding the content. Then after that if you want to add some extra, you can easily add here, and after that here I can add please provide credentials to start work, and after that here you can check the option remotely as well as local, then confirm post offer. Then skip, and now here you can see we have created one offer. Just you can start promoting your gig online. So thank you for watching video.